Did anyone see where I put the house keys?
Oh, sorry, honey. I left them on the kitchen counter next to the coffee maker.
Oh, it's getting so late. I think I'll skip the grocery run and just give the house a deep clean today.
In that case, let me know what I can do to help you.
Can you take this laundry basket upstairs and put the clothes away? Great! You can start by clearing all the clutter off the coffee table.
Coffee table? I'll put these magazines away and wipe the surface down right after.
Can you help me move this sofa so I can vacuum behind it? Careful, sweetie. Use both hands. Watch the rug! How many times do I have to say this? Do not leave your wet towel on the bed. It is not that hard.
Oops, sorry for leaving the wet towel here. Let me throw it in the washing machine right away.
I sprinkle a little baking soda. This makes the deep cleaning so much easier. First, fill it up with warm, soapy water. Insert the mop and wring it out completely. Now you are ready to mop. This is absolutely perfect. Finally, everything has its place. Join me as we find the magic, peace, and thrill in every chore.